Hello friends, today we are going to learn Standard 10 subject Maths 1. In that we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 5, Probability. Probability means possibility. What are the possibilities are there in a random experiment and outcome? This is our new topic. Now we will see some activities based on this. Let if a coin is tossed, this is a coin, all of you know this is coin of rupees 2. If a coin is tossed like this, then there is head or tail. If a coin is tossed, then whether there is head or there is tail. We will see like this. It is tail now. Means we know the possibilities. What are the outcomes that we know already. These are the possibilities. If a coin is tossed, then whether there may be head or tail. Now if two coins are tossed randomly, if two coins are tossed at a time, then we will see one is tail and one is head. Second time we will see one is head and another is also head. In CH. One is head and another is tail. Both are tail. Means if two coins are tossed, then there is head on both the coins, head tail, tail head, or tail. Means on both the coins there is maybe tail. This is experiment of coin or activity. Now we will see second activity with a die. You know, all of you know this die. All of you played very well in your childhood. Coins are tossed, then there is head or tail. Now this is a die. We can use it in different types of games like Ludo, Subsidy, Snakes and Ladders, and another games. If a die is thrown, then there are how many possibilities are there? All of you know very well. 4. Die is thrown again. There is 1. Again it is thrown. Then there is 3. 5. Means dots on upper face. We will count the dots. 2. Or 6. Means if a die is thrown, then there are 6 faces on the upper faces. What is how many dots are there? Then we know those possibilities. The possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Got it? You will see another activity. All of you know these are the playing cards. Then in a well shuffled pack of playing cards, we will select any one of these from this well shuffled card. Suppose this is one card. This is face card of Queen. Now like this, if we select any one card randomly, then how many possibilities are there? We have to tell. In a playing card, total number of cards are 52. There are 52 cards in a playing card. If we shuffle them, then there are total 52 possibilities are there. Like this. These are playing cards. Got it, all of you? Okay, now we will see random experiment and outcome. Based on this topic, we will see some examples in practice set 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? First one is, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. Vanita have to go for summer vacation. She is planning to visit one of the place given below. Ajinta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandvan. Then we have to find out how many possibilities are there. Can you tell me? Okay. Means Vanita can go to all these places, but she have to go or she have to visit one of them. Out of this there are total 8 places, therefore she have to visit only one place out of them in summer vacation. So Vanita can visit any of the 8 places in Maharashtra. So she has total 8 possibilities. Means 8 places are there, therefore there are 8 possibilities. Similarly, we can see second example. In first example there are 8 possibilities. Second one is, any day of a week is to be selected randomly. We know there are 7 days in a week. 7 days. Out of these 7 days, we have to select any one day randomly. Therefore, we can select suppose Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like this. Means therefore there are such type of 7 possibilities of selecting any one day randomly. Means total number of possibilities are 7. Similarly, select one card from the pack of 52 cards. This is a pack of 52 cards. Select one card randomly. We have to find out one card in this at a time. In next time another one card like this, another one card like this. Then there are total 52 cards, therefore there are such 52 possibilities of selecting one card at a time. Means there are 52 possibilities. Similarly, one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. If 10 to 20 numbers are written on a card, if each card have one number, means 10 on one card, 11 on second card, 12 on another card, like this up to 20. Means 10 to 20 numbers are written on cards. Then total number of cards are 11. Therefore there are how many possibilities are there? Yes, there are 11 possibilities of selecting one card randomly. Means there are, we can say that 11 possibilities of selecting one card randomly. Means these all are called as outcomes of random experiment. Okay, got it all of you? Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.